Tracking daily stock movements, what came in, what went out, and what's left often means digging through multiple reports and transactions, making it hard to get a clear picture of inventory on any given day. Not anymore, this plugin gives you a clear, day-wise ledger of all stock movements so you always know exactly what's happening with your inventory. This is Stock Ledger Report by Ahex Technologies. Let's see exactly how it works.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be demonstrating the daily stock ledger report, which is prepared by Ahex Technologies. So, one of the most common challenges faced by the inventory managers or the inventory persons, store persons, or auditors and managements in today's world is to understanding what was the opening stock per day, what was the stock received today, what stock was issued today, or what was sold, what was purchased, and what is the closing balance after every transaction. Right. While the standard Odoo provides the stock reports, so to analyze the daily movements product wise often requires checking the multiple screens. Right. Let's consider a practical scenario. Suppose we are dealing with a product. I have created a product here in the inventory with a stock ledger test. On hand quantities too. Management asked me yesterday we had a stock. Today we purchased some quantities, sold some quantities. What is the exact closing stock and how did it reach the value? Okay. So normally in standard users would need to check the purchase orders, then the receipts, then delivery orders and inventory adjustment. And in the end, what is the on hand quantity? What's the forecasted quantities? Now the stock ledger report which we have created is basically how much you are supposed to receive, how much you are delivering, or how much you have delivered, and what's the balance. Any forecasting is there. What's the forecasting? Right. I'll just give you a glimpse of my stock ledger report. So in my inventory stock ledger, I'll select the date. Let's say starting from 23rd May to 31st June. Sorry, to 30th June. 23rd to 30th, I'll generate the report. You can see all the products here. Let's go to the stock ledger test. So it will give you the sales price, cost price, on hand price, and what's the forecasted, right? What is we have. We'll click on view ledger. You can see the complete. So what's the opening balance as on 23rd when this product was created? It was zero. After this, at a particular time, we have received something. You can say type is in 5 units was received. Means a PO was created against that store person receives the material and stored it to the inventory. Second is at the particular time period from stock to customer something is out. How much quantity? 3 is out. When we received, the balance was 5. When we delivered, 3 out of 5, the balance was 2. So this is how our stock ledger report will show you. So we have multiple filters here as well, you can see. So with the help of filters, who has created by created on, updated by updated on, product wise, right? What's the type from to? And if we'll go back one screen here, so you have list of all the products. You can again create the custom filters, location wise, warehouse wise, and all those filters will be there, right? So this is how our reports will be visible. So now let's do one complete cycle. I'll go out of here. I'll go to the inventory products. Let's take this product test. Currently two on hand 2 units are there. Okay, now let's create a purchase order. I'll receive some of the quantities. Two are there. Two are there. Let's order 8. Okay, now we'll confirm the order. Now the order is confirmed, right? So what I'll do is I'll just go to the other screen. Since we are receiving 8 units now, I'll go to the inventory. I'll see how my reporting respond to it. Stock ledger report from 23rd to May 30th, June 23rd to June 30. I'll generate the report and then I'll select my stock. All right. Now you can see for the product sales price, cost price, on hand currently is 2 units. Forecasted is 10. Means we are receiving something. Once we received everything consolidated, 10 will be what I will be having. I'll click on view ledger. It will give me the details, right? Completely it's blank. Now let's go out. I'll go here as a store person. I'll go to the inventory. I'll receive the material. 8 units we are receiving. Validated. As soon as I did the validation, now what will happen is I'll again go to the my stock ledger report. 30th, generate stock. Now you can see on hand it's showing 10, means we have received it. And if I'll open it, now you can see at a particular date from my vendor to stock, I have received 8 units. Outgoing is 0, type is in. I have received 8 more units. The balance is now 10. Earlier it was 2, before that it was 5, right? After delivering it was 2. Then we received 8 more units. Now balance is 10 in the real time. Okay, it's clear. Now let's go again inventory and we'll do the delivery this time. So currently we have 10, right? I'll do, let's say, 4 out of it. Well, I have delivered 4 unit. Again, if I'll go to my stock ledger report, generate stock. So it will now show on hand 6 because we have delivered the 4 units. If I'll see in the view, now you can see stock to customer, we have delivered 4 unit, type is out, and the balance is 6 unit because 4 we have delivered. So this is what purpose it solves. So day to day basis you can check your balances, what's the incoming, what's the outgoing, what's the type, from which location to which location, so you'll be updated with the current balance of the stock.
A clear day-wise record of every stock movement, accurate, organized, and always up to date. No digging through reports, no guesswork, no inventory surprises. Stock Ledger Report is available now on the Odoo App Store, built by Ahex Technologies. Visit ahex.co to explore more Odoo plugins and implementation services.